Hello friends! In today's video I will guide you how to make a waste composting system to directly fertilize plants. With this method, plants are always provided with a certain amount of nutrients. Sparrow trees are not poisoned by too much fertilizer. Below, I will give detailed instructions, please follow along. I use a plastic bottle like this one. I will cut it into two parts. The two parts are not equal. I'll insert it in a moment like this. This part is used to collect waste. I need a smaller bottle. It is used to store and supply water. Later I will put it like this. Now I'm going to punch holes in this lid. This is a filter cotton plant. I use it to adjust the amount of water. Fixed with glue. Next I will cut like this to put water in here. Attach it like this. Fix it with glue. Screw it in. So it's done. I'll punch holes down here. Now I'll add water to try it out for you all to see. It's dripping. And this is kitchen waste. I will put them in the incubation system. Now let me put it in. Put water in this bottle. That's it. If you find it interesting, remember to like the video and share it with everyone. Goodbye and see you again.